Hey guys, Sunday here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are playing this game. Gets on my nerves. CS:GO. Because why not? Why not go through the suffering and pain? You don't know how much. Anyway, let me just. I'ma just not get demonetized. That's what I'm gonna do. Why did I start this? Oh yeah. Oh gosh. I don't want to get demonetized, please. Or copyright strike. That would be bad too. I don't care about copyright strikes though. Why won't you? But anyway, seriously though, can we get into the video? Can we please get into the video? Please. Let me get into
Yo, what the f you smell like weed in our house?
Okay, back to the video itself. Please. I love this game so much. You don't know how much I love this game. 10 out of 10. Best game ever. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just love this game. I just do. I love this game so much. You know what? I just loved it. And, oh god. But anyway, guys, this game's laggy. Yo, chill. So yeah, it's a nice season game, and yo, really? Right now? Okay, I'ma die. Yo, chill. I love this game so much. I'm sure they come, they feeling good enough. You think you got most night can't get stumped. Keep it rich of weight, talk on me, you know, and tell me, homie. Thanks for the video. You don't hold what up. Hate this game so much. Sorry I had to make you guys wait. Oh, like I said, that could have gone better. I suck at this game completely. I don't know how to play. Like I said, I'm new, and why am I making excuses? I just suck, like, automatically. I just suck. There's no way around it. I suck. Well, for real, sorry I had to waste all your... We already started? First things first, we're not going down there. I hate this game, bro. But anyway, guys, you're just gonna play Team Fortress because I suck at CS:GO, and I'm not playing Call of Duty because that game is trash. So I don't know what to do. So that's why I'm playing Team Fortress 2. Ha 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 Help me. Shh. Yes. That's my. All the girls spit it out. I'm not playing online. I haven't played this game before, so we can embark on this together. What I mean by embark is that you watch me play and then criticize me in the chat while you just you guys just alright. You just criticize me in the chat. That's about it. Alright. Select all. I already went through the tutorial. I don't like it. Capture all points to win. Select. I'm gonna go easy for now because I'm not. No, let's go normal. Just normal. Because we're all great. What? No. I didn't just cut and then go ahead and press easy and then start the game. And then start it again. What kind of person would I be if I did that? You guys like lying, huh? This game takes forever. Why? I want to play team for sponsor. Sponsor. Are you guys ready for some ear rape? Me too. That's half of my subscribers gone. But anyway, I'm gonna get a copyright strike. I am going to get a copyright strike. But I'm risking it. You wanna know why? Because of you. And plus I like X. Rest in peace. Huh? Alright, let me turn off the music. And I like Naruto. So that's nice. Alright. I legit don't know how to play. We're just gonna skip that. On coaching? No. Random. Alright. Offense.
What?
Blowtorch. Let's go with defense because I mean offense because I just like offense. There's nothing wrong with me. I just like offense. And plus offensive players move faster. I don't know why. Well, I do, but like, you get what I'm trying to say. Offensive players move faster because unlike defense players, dumb defense, They have heavier weapons. Shut up! Did I tell you to talk? If I have to tell you to shut up one more time. Okay. Sorry. That is a dog from outside. I don't like dogs. And I don't like you. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh gosh. Hello. Okay, resume game. But seriously, let me get serious. Hacks mode on. What? Hello? Is anybody there? Seriously though, like, my game is lagging like crazy right now. When I mean crazy, I mean crazy right now. The cursor's on the screen. I don't know why. Oh, so that's what he was doing. I was just in the desert for so many days. Why do I always do that? I love you so much. Why do I keep switching screens too? Let's see. Hello. I love this game way too much to die right now. Out of all the times I could die right now, it has to be right now. It has to be right now. Change weapon. And I need heals too. Thank you. Oh gosh. Hello. Yep. Smartest player ever. Ha ha ha. I'm just failing so much in this video right now. I didn't know it was just possible to fail this much. I'm using rocket launcher. Cause what's the use, man? Exactly, there is no use. And why is this thing so heavy? Why would you do that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know, I'm not happy. You know, they try. Oh, okay. Well, how many? Do you just have to hold it down? Seriously, though. Why? 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 Nope. This isn't it, Chief. Dang, he moved. No. Oh gosh. Who was about to say? Thought that was actually gonna hit me. Well, now I know. Don't wait to go. I'm gonna sue you now. Capture both controls, yeah, whatever. Anyway, this game is harder than I expected it to be. Yeah. Three. Oh gosh, hello. Why is this thing so heavy?